Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all promotions emails in Gmail. If your promotions tab is full of marketing emails and newsletters, you can quickly remove them all at once. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, click the Promotions tab at the top of your inbox. Once you're in the Promotions category, click the Select checkbox at the top of the email list. This will select all the emails currently displayed on the page. If Gmail shows the message, "Select all conversations in promotions," click it. This will select every email in the promotions category, not just the ones on the current page. Now click the delete icon at the top of the page. All of the selected promotional emails will be moved to the trash folder. If you want to permanently delete them immediately, click Trash from the left-hand menu. If you don't see the trash folder, click More to expand the menu. At the top of the trash page, click Empty Trash Now. Confirm your choice when prompted. All of your promotional emails will now be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete all promotions emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.